graduation ceremony of batch 2020. I am Swara Mayekar of class senior KTV and I am honored to have got the golden opportunity to speak today. First of all, on behalf of the entire batch of 2020, I would like to welcome you all to the graduation ceremony of batch 2020 at Indo-Scotch Preschool. I am grateful to welcome the pillars of the ISGS family. Dr. Ajay Srivastava, the chairman and founder of ISGS. Ms. Nidhi Srivastava, the esteemed co-founder and director of ISGS. Dr. Sakshi Menon, our respected chief mentor. And Ms. Nemo Hitesh, our admirable principal. I also want to thank all the parents, family and friends for the love and support, as well to the members of Indo-Scotch Preschool. Thank you. Preschool has an unforgettable journey that has prepared us for the future. These years have involved some of the most memorable and important moments of our lives. Individually, our experiences here are unique, but together we share a common bond as learners of Indo-Scotch Preschool and soon to be kindergarten graduates.
Oh, that was so amazing. That was very well said, learners. Please give them a big round of applause. I want everyone to clap. Wow, very good. So, learners, today we all have gathered here for the graduation day. Yes? For the graduation day. But what is the meaning of graduation day? Does anyone know? Can anyone unmute and tell me what is the meaning of graduation?
Final day.
Okay, the final day, yes. Anyone else?
Final day. Final day.
Very good, okay.
Go to next. Final
Yes,
day.
I got the correct answer from someone who said that we will go to the... Yes.
Primary.
Very good, learners. Thank you so much for those wonderful answers. Graduation is done to celebrate the moving of our little learners from one grade to another higher grade. So, over here, my learners will graduate and go from senior KG 2 grade to grade 3. Which grade?
Grade 1.
Very good. Very good. So here on this big day, it's now time for a musical treat. The learners of senior KG 8 are all here to welcome us with their musical treat. Put your hands together for the learners of senior KG 8. Woo!
Yes, everybody is excited. Yes or no?
Yes. Everybody's wondering what will they bring for us. What will they bring for us? Mansi ma'am, we are ready. Show us. What have the learners of senior KG 8 done for all of us?
Here we go.
One year older, 1 year wiser, 1 year taller and stronger and brighter. 1 year closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me. 1 year older, 1 year wiser, 1 year taller and stronger and brighter. 1 step closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me. Our lights are burning bright. Knowledge is our guiding light. Happy graduation day. We have come such a long way. Our lights are burning bright. Knowledge is our guiding light. Happy graduation day. We have come such a long way. We have come such a long way. We have come such a long way. One year older, 1 year wiser, 1 year taller and stronger and brighter. 1 step closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me. 1 year older, 1 year wiser, 1 year taller and stronger and brighter. 1 step closer to being the best that I can be. Thank you for helping me. Our lights are burning bright. Knowledge is our guiding light. Happy graduation day. We have come such a long way. Our lights are burning bright. Knowledge is our guiding light. Happy graduation day. We have come such a long way. We have come such a long way. We have come such a long way.
I want everyone to give a big round of applause for the wonderful learners of Senior KGA. Woohoo! Clap, give them a big round of applause. Very well done. Senior KGA learners have brilliantly showed us how wise, tall, and strong all my learners have become in this 1 year. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. My smart learners have cleared the final chapter very well with flying colors. And now it is time for them to take a step forward and start off with their new journey in grade 1. But before you all go to grade 1, we want you to take something there along with you. So can you think and tell me what could it be? Think, learners. I want you all to think and tell me what could it be?
Hat.
Okay. Hat. Anything else? Anything else?
Magic wand.
Yes, it's a magic wand. Yes, very good. I got the correct answer from one learner. It's a magic wand which is going to tell you what you are supposed to do in grade 1. So learners, are you all ready to make that magic wand? Tell me, are you all ready? Show me a thumbs up if you all are good to go. Yes? So let's get your little hands working with Irfana ma'am.
So all of you ready? Come on. So I request all the parents for this activity, they will be required your help. Okay, so I request all the parents, please sit next to your child. Ready? Parents are ready? Learners are ready? Okay. So take out your tinted sheet. Come on, learners.
Sorry to interrupt, Irfana ma'am, but
Yes.
parents, we would please request you to click pictures while the learners are making this magic wand. It's a request. Please do click pictures. Thank you. Please continue,
Yes.
Irfana ma'am. Thank you.
Now you have to fold your
Irfana ma'am, please unmute yourself.
okay. This is your paper. Now you have to fold your paper edge to edge like this. Okay. After that, open your paper. Now parents, what you have to do, just draw star with the help of pencil like this. Okay. And after that, bordering part, the learners will do. And writing part also. Okay. So just help them. I request all the parents kindly draw star with the help of pencil. Bordering part, learners are going to do with the help of black color sketch pen. And the content part also. So learners, what you're making? It's a takeaway. Wow. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes.
Excited.
Thank you so much, parents. Once it is done, the pencil work from parent side, kindly hand over the star to your child. Then the child will do the bordering part. Okay. The learners are going to do the bordering part with the help of black sketch pen. And they are going to write, I will grow in grade 1. Full stop. With the help of black sketch pen only. Wow, everybody is doing very nicely. Very good.
Sure, parents are going to agree that it's the most beautiful way to start off with the weekend.
Yes.
Spending time with your little ones. Isn't it, parents?
Correct.
Done this much.
Those who have done can show thumbs up.
Very good. Arohi Salunke is done.
Very nice.
Very good. Done. Those who have done, they can start doing cutting part. Okay, you have to cut. Ready? Now you have to cut. Those who have finished, come on, learners, take your scissor. Start doing cutting. Okay, first you have to cut like this from the middle. Like this. See. So the second part, you keep it down. This part you will hold in your hand. Okay, if you are not able to cut the paper, what you will do, you will take the help from your parents. Or okay, you will ask help. Now you will cut this star. Okay, let's do cutting. Those who have finished.
Great job, learners. We can see that you all are trying to write it on your own.
And
Very good.
some of them are trying to cut also. That's
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you show me again?
Yes, yes, sure, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. So learners, see, I'm doing cutting part. Those who have finished, you all can start. Okay. Yahoo! Done.
Ooh.
Free, be little quick.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
I will
Ooh, very good.
Very good, Advi.
कोई पेपर है वाइट
Vivan Chauhan, what happened? Vivan? Look at me. What happened? Yugan Salgar, are you doing or not? You have to write this, huh?
Harsh, you've written?
Very good, Sarah. Very good, Sai. Very good, Bhavya. Come on, be very
good. You're
quick.
cutting. Nice. Nicely
The
cutting.
she's trying to cut on her own. Very good.
She's doing on her own. Very nice.
Very
So
good.
Tanmay is ready with the star takeaway.
Yes.
Good.
Chirasvi,
Vidhi is
wow,
trying
very
to cut
nicely
on
done.
her own. Wonderful learners.
Daksh Trimukhe, very good.
Ma'am, I make a star.
Very good.
Wow.
Very good, Atharva Sharma.
Star.
Navya, very good.
Ma'am.
Well
Yes.
done, Harsh.
Nice.
Wonderfully done. Very nice.
Ma'am.
Wow,
Yes.
very good.
Harsh. Nice.
Very good. Okay, all those who are ready with their stars, please put it up on the screen so that we come to know that
Come on.
half of the magic wand is ready.
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am. Done.
Very good.
Very
Can we
good.
move on to the next step?
Done.
Those who have finished, can we move on to the next step? Next step. Ready? Ready for the next step? Now what you have to do? Now you have to take your straw. Okay? Straw. And we are going to stick this
Ma'am,
straw.
I don't have straw.
Then what you have here, Vidhi? You have a pencil?
Yes.
Pencil is there? Okay. So what you're going to do, you're going to stick this straw backside of your star, okay? With the help of tape, okay? If you have a sellotape, it's okay. You can stick with the sellotape. Ready? Learners, take the help from your parents.
Ma'am, this.
Yes. See?
Wow.
Nice takeaway, no?
Yes,
hold
the
your
magic
takeaway
wand
in
is
your hand.
ready.
Very nice.
Yeah. Show me.
Wow. Very nice, learners.
Wow. Beautiful. Very good. Very good.
Wow.
Samrata.
Well done.
Ma'am, done.
Very
Yeah.
I
nice.
don't have so. Straw. Ma'am, done.
Those who are not having a straw, they can use pencil. See, if you have a pencil, you can stick.
नॉर्मल है
Okay, ma'am. I'm done.
Okay. See, I also have a pencil. You can stick here.
I'm done.
Wow, Ashike.
I'm done. I'm
Wow.
done.
Wow, everybody
Magic
ready?
wand is done. If your magic wand is done, learners, I request you. If your magic wand is ready, I request you all to put it on the screen. Okay? So that ma'am will be able to see it.
Come on, everybody, do like this. Come on.
Wow.
Ma'am, done.
Done. Very good. Now hold your magic wand in your hand. Okay, your takeaway like this.
I'm done.
Wow, everyone is ready. Let me check. Yugan Salgar, show me your takeaway.
Didi,
Yes, ma'am.
take away.
Vaidishri, Tasmay. Yes, Daksh, hold like this. Ashri, be very quick. Ashri,
Ma'am.
Irfana ma'am, the activities are running away. Please
yes,
tell my learners to do it very quickly, otherwise they'll run away.
yes.
Yes.
Almost
Please hurry up,
everyone is
learners.
ready.
The
Ashri,
activities are waiting for all of you.
everyone is ready, ma'am. Oh, except Ashri. Ashri, I request Ashri's mother, ma'am, can you help her?
Ma'am.
We have to go a little bit. Quicker. Very good, learners.
Well
Good
done.
learners.
Very good.
Yes.
So we have done with our takeaway. Yes. Smile, everybody. Smile.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Wow. Very
Very
good.
good.
Let's see everyone's.
Ma'am, I'm not done.
Yes. Very good. So,
Okay.
can we move on to the next, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, definitely. If all of them are ready, then first put up your magic wand. Like Irfana ma'am told you, come on quickly. Everyone's magic wand is ready and give a big smile and tell mama and papa to click your picture. Come on, everyone. That's the next step. Quickly, quickly. Smile, smile, smile. A big smile. Wow, very good. Okay, now tell me one thing. What are you all going to do with this takeaway? Are you going to save it properly, nicely, or are you going to just, not take care of it? What are you going to do with the takeaway? Tell me.
Come on, see.
Tell me. Unmute and tell me. Yes. This magic wand. Yes. Yes, very well said. All my learners, please save this takeaway, save your magic wand very nicely so that you always remember what you have to do in grade 1. Okay?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now since you all have done a brilliant job, I want all of you to clap for yourselves, but there's a different manner. Okay? Look at me and then you will clap. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Got it, everyone? Come on, at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Very good. Through these past few years, learners, tell me, you have learned so many new things. Yes or no? We've learned so many new things. We learned to read. We learned to write. We learned so many new things. But tell me, on this last day, do you all want to see what you all have learned in a very interesting and fun manner? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. I can't hear my learners.
Yes,
I'm not
ma'am.
saying anything. Now, thank you so much for your wonderful replies. Now, the senior KG B learners are here to present their dance and they will show us how wonderfully so many new things my learners have learned. Woo!
Chicka boom.
I said a boom, chicka boom.
It's graduation, chicka boom.
It's graduation, chicka boom.
It's graduation, chicka rocka, chicka boom.
It's graduation, chicka rocka, chicka boom.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
One more time.
One more time.
Reading style. We learn to read, chicka boom.
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 We learn to read, chicka rocka, chicka boom.
We learn to read, chicka rocka, chicka boom.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
One more time.
One more time.
Writing style. We learn
We learn to write, chickaboom.
We learn to write, chickaboom.
We learn to write, chickaboom.
We learn to write, chicka-rocka, chicka-boom.
We learn to write, chicka-rocka, chickaboom.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
One more time.
One more time.
Tying shoes style. We tied our shoes, chickaboom.
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 We tied our shoes, chicka-rocka, chickaboom.
We tied our shoes, chicka-rocka, chickaboom.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
One more time.
One more time.
Listening style. We learn to listen, chickaboom.
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 We learn to listen, chicka-rocka, chickaboom.
We learn to listen, chicka-rocka, chickaboom.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
One more time.
One more time.
Friendship style. We made new friends, chickaboom.
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 We made new friends, chicka-rocka, chickaboom.
We made new friends, chicka-rocka, chickaboom.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
One more time.
One more time.
Rockin' teacher style. Our teachers rock, chickaboom.
Our teachers rock, chickaboom.
Our teachers rock, chickaboom.
Our teachers rock, chickaboom.
Our teachers rock, chicka-rocka, chickaboom.
Our teachers rock, chicka-rocka, chickaboom.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right.
That was so amazing. Woo! Did you all enjoy the dance of senior KGB learners? Yes or no?
Yes!
Yes? Yes? Then let's give them a big round of applause. Come on. Clap to them, clap to them. Woohoo! Thank you so much, senior KGB learners. That was wonderful. Okay. I am sure all of you will agree that the kindergarten graduation day is a very special moment in the life of a child. Yes or no, learners? Didn't you all wait for this amazing day? Yes. When you got to know, when you all got to know that you all are going to go to grade 1 and we are also going to have a graduation day to celebrate the beautiful years that you have spent in pre-primary. Weren't you all excited for this day? Tell me, were you all excited for this amazing day? Yes. Yes. And what is going to make this day more special is that when you all will wear the amazing graduation cap on your head. Yes or no, learners? So tell me, who is excited to make the graduation cap? I am excited. I am very excited. I am more excited.
Ma'am, I'm also.
I'm very excited.
I'm excited.
More excited.
I'm
Very excited.
Excited.
Yes.
I can't hear everyone. Who is excited? Come on, tell me. Who is excited? I am very excited.
Excited, ma'am.
Yes. Very good, very good. I'm so happy to see that all my learners are excited to make the graduation cap. So now, let's get working your little hands with Aarti ma'am. Woohoo!
Aarti ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Nidhi ma'am. So, learners, today we are going to make graduation cap. But what is graduation cap? Anybody knows? What is graduation cap? Think. Okay.
That we wear on our head. That is a cap. The cap of the hat.
Yes. So now just look at Mansi ma'am's screen. You will get to know what is graduation cap. Look at Mansi ma'am's screen.
Just a minute. Can you all see this?
Yes. So now we are going to make graduation cap. Okay, learners. For that, you will be needing a square shaped cardboard. Are you all ready with the square shape?
Ma'am, mine already done.
Oh wow, very nice.
Ma'am, I am done.
Very nice. We are going to make it now. Okay. Yes. Very nice. Very nice.
I am
Okay.
done.
Very nice, learner. Very nice. Okay. So now what we are going to do? We are going to cover this cardboard with black chart paper. Okay? Cover it. See? Okay. And with the help of scotch tape, you are going to stick both the sides. Okay? With the help of scotch tape. Parents are requested, please help your child. Very nice. Yes, learners, you have to be quick. Wow. Okay, once this is done, what you have to do, parents are requested to take the measurement of your child's head. Just see to it that, just take the measurement like this and cut the paper in this manner. Cut the paper in this manner. Yes. Now what you have to do next is stick both the ends with the glue, and next step is just cut the paper like this. See, is it visible? Yes. Just entirely cut the paper like this. Just in small parts you need to cut. Okay, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Just cut it in the small parts. Once this is done, just slide gently. You have to press the paper inside. Okay, gently press the paper inside. You have to do this part very gently. Okay, learners. See, do it very gently. Okay, once this is done, what you have to do, you have to take this the one which we have stick the inside part, okay, and you have to stick it with the help of glue. This part you need to stick it with the help of glue. Yes, like this. Okay. Stick it with the glue. Or also you can use scotch tape. If you have scotch tape, please use it. Learners, you have to be very quick. There are many surprises.
So many of them waiting for the learners. So they have to be quick, right, Aarti ma'am?
Yes, they have to be very, very quick. Okay. Very nice. Done. Very good. Stick it properly. Okay. Once this is done, yes, take a red wool, and what you have to do is just double the thread of red wool. Okay, double it like this. Okay, double it. And just tie a knot like this. Just tie a knot below. Okay? Just tie a knot. Okay? Done? And with the help of tack pin, see, with the help of tack pin, fix this red woolen thread on the cardboard part. Can you see there? Fix it on the cardboard part with the help of tack pin. Done?
Wow, learners, you all are doing a great job. We all are so proud to see you doing this.
Very nice.
Wondering how they will look once they'll wear that.
I
Oh,
know.
they look so cute.
Now,
Ma'am, I'm done.
Very nice.
okay, but there's a small surprise. So I don't want the learners to wear the cap right now. There is something twisted. It's a twist, which I'm going to tell once all the learners are done. So if you all are done, just show your thumbs up on the screen. Okay.
Don't wear your cap right now. Don't wear your cap right now. Keep it aside.
Double the thread, woolen thread. Just double it and put a knot. Done? And with the help of tack pin, just fix that woolen thread here, right in between. Very nice.
Can you show me again how to use red wool?
Ma'am, you just, yes, just need to double the thread like this. Just double it. Okay. And tie a knot below.
Yes.
With the help of a tack pin, just fix it on the cardboard part, which we have covered with black sheet. With the help of tack pin, just fix it on the cardboard part. right in between, at the center.
I can see many caps getting ready.
So can you show me once again about the cap, ma'am? How to
Yes,
cut?
yes. Which one, sir? You want about the thread, woolen
Oh,
thread?
this one.
Yes,
Cap,
yes,
cap.
sir, yes. Just what you have to do. Once you have done with this, sir, just cut it into the small part, sir.
Okay.
Cut it into small part and just gently press it. Press
Okay.
it gently so that, and then apply glue and fix it here, right, like this. Okay.
Okay, got it, got it.
Come on, learners. Be quick, quick. Come on. There are so many surprises for you all. Do it fast, quickly.
Teacher, my done.
Wow.
Learners, you know, I am holding the surprises so tightly. They are all ready to go. Please hurry up. Please hurry up. Otherwise, the surprises will go away, ma'am.
Come on, be very quick. Lots of surprises are there. Come on, fast. Done?
Done, ma'am.
Very nice.
Very good.
It's a request. Please don't wear your cap now.
Don't wear so now.
Okay? Please don't wear it now.
Teacher, done cap.
Very nice.
I don't know.
Deep, your cap is ready.
All those whose
Prithvi
caps
Sharma,
are ready can show their thumbs up so that we come to know that.
No.
Very good. I can see so many thumbs up. Wow.
Many of
Brilliant.
them
Very
are
good,
done.
very good.
Many
Yes.
of them are done. Great job, learners. Great job.
Done, ma'am.
Very
Very
good.
nice.
Done.
Done.
Very nice. Very nice.
Tanmay Yadav.
Prithvi Sharma, are you done, beta?
No.
Okay. Do it. Complete it quickly.
Okay. Araina Sharma, very good. Ishan Salke, your cap is done.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Navya. Reyansh. Where is Reyansh?
Okay, learners, we have last 2 minutes to go.
Reyansh, your
Yes,
cap
ma'am.
is done.
Last 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. Come on, quick.
Yeah.
Come on, 2 minutes. Hurry up. Okay, Sora Maika, ready. Very good. Vidhi, ready, Vidhi? Okay, very good. Ishan Salke, you have already done. Very good.
Show
Sai
me
Matre is ready. Sai Matre.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay. It's okay.
Yes,
Reyansh.
Jeel's mother.
हेलो मैम
बोलिए
Yes.
मैम.
कैसे लगाने का ये
Yeah, Aarti ma'am will show you for the thread.
Yes. Just double the thread, ma'am.
Teacher, done my cap.
Okay. Double. Yes. And at the end, just put a knot. Okay. And what tack pin? Pin है ना मैम? Tack pin. जो कार्डबोर्ड वाला पार्ट है, हाँ. Tack pin से इधर फिक्स कर दो, सेंटर में.
Good morning, everyone. We have gathered here today to celebrate and validate the graduation ceremony of batch.
See, I am holding the surprises. They are trying to go. That is why.
Oh
See,
my God.
that is why I'm telling her. Please hurry up, learners. Please
Come
hurry
on.
up.
Hurry up.
इतना पकड़ के रखा है मैम ने.
Sai Matre is ready. Sparsh is ready. Come on, hurry up, Sparsh. Okay, very good. Jill, I request Jill's mother, ma'am. थोड़ा जल्दी कीजिए ना.
Last 30 seconds. 30 seconds now. Only 30 seconds.
Yes. Aradhya Pawar.
Ma'am.
Done.
Very good.
Abhiraj.
It's done.
Your cap is ready, Abhiraj.
It's done.
Okay, Daksh. Wait.
Okay, now I believe most of them have been done.
Yes.
Their graduation caps are ready. Yes, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So now since this is the most amazing and different type of graduation day, there is a twist. कुछ तो उल्टा करना बनता है ना? So now every time we ask the learners to show up their takeaway. But this time I want the parents to come in front of the screen and hold the beautiful graduation cap that has just been made by the learners and you. So I want the parents to hold the graduation cap. Only when I see that all parents are ready, we will go ahead with the surprise.
Yes. Tanvi Duri. Tell your
Parents have to
mama.
hold it up. Parents,
hold
please
your
hold
cap.
the graduation cap in your hands.
Yes, ma'am. Just hold the cap of graduation cap in
Yes.
your hand.
Gargi,
Tanvi's
please
mother.
remove your cap, beta. Gargi, please remove your cap.
Yeah, no caps on the head right now.
Now,
All we
give it to your
want is
mommy.
the
Give it to
parents
your
holding
mommy.
the graduation cap.
Now.
Okay, so I'm giving you an alert. This is going to be a
Wow.
very special moment.
My
So
God.
please do not forget to capture it. Okay? The learners are always going to remember this amazing moment. So please do not forget to capture it. Are all parents ready? Come on, come on. I can't see. I can't see. Everyone's ready.
Atharva Sharma. Atharva Sharma, who is there with you? Atharva Sharma. Ma'am, can you hold his cap in your hand?
Swara's father, just hold it in your hand right now. Don't make her
Atharva
red.
Sharma.
Just hold it. Yeah. No. Swara, you don't hold it. Let your papa hold it.
Ma'am.
Yes, I can see most of them are ready. So now it's that moment. I hope you all are going to agree that we all were waiting for the entire day today. So it's that auspicious time when the parents are going to award these graduation caps to the learners. Parents, we request you to please award the graduation cap to the learners.
Please make them wear.
Please make them wear it. Award it on their heads, please. Woo! Now take your magic wand. And I want all of you to stand up and show us how wonderful you all are looking. Please do that.
Wow.
Wow.
Very
The teachers
nice.
are literally having goosebumps. It's such a proud moment for all of us.
Seriously.
I know all of them are going to agree to this.
Yes.
Very good. What a wonderful effort the parents and the learners have made together. And this proud moment was very special for all of us. I hope you all are also going to agree to this, parents. Yes or no? Please tell me.
Parents, come on,
Yes.
give your feedback. Yes.
Very good. Very good. Thank you so much. I request all of you to please sit down. Please sit down. Please sit down, everyone. Thank you so much. As our lovely tiny tots have donned their graduation caps, they dream so much and want to become something big in their life. So here we have the learners of Senior KG A who want to tell us what they will be when they grow up.
I want to be a police officer and the rest keeps. I want to be a doctor when I grow up. I want to be a chef when I grow up. I want to be an artist when I grow up. I want to be when I grow a teacher. I want to be a scientist when I grow up. I will be a teacher when I grow up. I will be IPS officer when I grow up. When I grow up, I want to be a teacher. And I want to be scientist when I grow up. I want to be scientist when I grow up. I want to be a journalist when I grow up. I want to become police inspector. I want to become a car racer when I grow up. I like for sports car win for India. I will become a police officer when I grow up. I want to become a doctor when I grow up. I want to be a doctor when I grow up. I want to become a doctor when I grow up. I want to be a doctor when I will grow up. I want to become a police officer when I grow up. I want to become police officer when I grow up. When I grow up, I want to be a scientist. I want to be pilot when I grow up. When I grow up, I want to become a doctor. I want to be a teacher when I grow up. I want to be pilot when I grow up.
Wow. For the senior KG A learners, we are going to clap differently. I want everyone to raise their hands up. Come on, all hands up in the air. And we're going to clap hard for them. Woo! Hands up in the air. Senior KG A learners, we all are so proud of you.
Yes.
Now, the learners of Senior KG B are here to tell us about their dreams. So, are you all ready to listen to what they have to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Swara Mayekar. I want to be an IPS officer when I grow up. I like to become a pilot when I grow up. My name is Bhavya Patel. When I grow up, I will be a chef. Hi, this is Sethi Sharma. I want to become an actor. When I grow up, I want to be a dentist. Brush your teeth every day. I want to be a chartered accountant when I grow up. When I grow up, I will be a makeup artist and a model. When I grow up, I want to become an engineer because I love machines. And when I grow up, I want to be a police officer. Police drive fast. When I grow up, I become a firefighter and I save people's lives. When I grow up, I want to be a police officer. When I'm grown up, I want to be a cricketer. When I grow up, I dream to be a pilot. I have to study hard to achieve my goal. I'm excited to fly around the world. I want to become police officer when I grow up. I would like to be a national badminton player. I am Sai Matle. I want to become policeman. I want to become a beautician. When I grown up, I would like to become a scientist. I want to become a doctor in the future. I want to be doctor when I grow up. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor. I want to become a doctor when I grow up. I want to be an artist when I grow up. I want to become a doctor. I want to be a teacher when I grow up.
Wow, Senior KGB learners, that was so wonderful. For the Senior KGB learners, we are going to do a different type of clap. So one at the right side, the other one at the left hand side. Okay? On the count of 3, I want everyone to do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Woohoo! Now we have the learners of Senior KG E who are here to tell us about their goals.
I want to be a pilot when I grow up. I want to be a star when I grown up. When I grown up, I want to become a doctor. I want to become a teacher. I want to be pilot when I grow up. I want to be policeman. Police officer. I will catch thief. Thank you. And become a police. When I grow up, I want to be doctor. After being doctor, I want to serve people who are sick. I want to be pilot. When I grow up, is a policeman. I want to be a doctor when I grow up. I want to become police. I want to become a scientist when I grow up. I want to be a policeman. I want to be an actor when I grow up.
Wow, Senior KG E learners. For the Senior KG E learners, we are going to clap in the front. Okay, is everyone ready? 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! That was spectacular. Senior KG A learners, Senior KG B learners, and Senior KG E learners have done a wonderful job. Yes.
नेटवर्क नहीं आ रहा है.
No problem.
No problem. कोई बात नहीं. So now it seems that our learners are ready to take off the flight to grade 1. What do you think, teachers? Are they actually ready?
Yes, all are ready, ma'am.
But how can we end the day without the teachers giving their best wishes and sharing their feelings for all of you?
Oh.
So learners, sit back and watch what your teachers have to tell you.
Hi learners, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing great. I just want to say one thing, that it was an amazing year with you all. I enjoyed it with you all thoroughly and I made so many new friends. Now learners, it is the last day of your academic year and now we are going to enter into a proper schooling where there are going to be lots of challenges that you will have to face. But no matter what comes in between, you have to face the challenge and accomplish that with full energy. Yes, learners, I just want to wish you all the best to everyone, and I want to say one thing, that I am going to miss you all a lot, and you all are going to be in my memories forever and ever. Bye.
Yoo-hoo! Hey learners! So today is a stepping stone for you all. You will step into the world of elementary education, eager to face new challenges and opportunities. Yes or no? Yes. Past 2 years were really memorable for me. You were like a bud when you came into my life. But now you all are blooming blossoms. So my heartfelt blessings and wishes to you all. Congratulations to all my dear ones as you climb up one more step in a ladder. So bye-bye learners.
Hi learners. Today is the last day of senior KG. And today is your graduation day. The closing of one door and the opening of another. That's your great part. Isn't it, learners? Learners, I would like to thank each one of you for the memories and the learning which we have shared this year. Dear learners, always strive to be the best that you can be. At last, I would like to tell you all that all the very best for your future, and may you all be successful and happy in your life. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. As we come to the end of this academic year, I just want to tell all my learners that I am very proud of all of you for wonderfully completing this 1 year in senior KG. As you all are ready to take a step forward and start off with your new journey in grade 1, I just want to wish all the learners all the best. I know that you all are going to work very hard and do your best so that you can achieve all your goals. But also learners, as today we meet for the last time, I would like to tell you all that I am going to remember the beautiful memories that you all have given us, and I'm going to miss my learners a lot. Bye bye learners.
Thank you, teacher.
Learners, I want to know from you, how did you find the video? वीडियो कैसा लगा?
Thank you, teacher.
You are most welcome, learners. Now, learners, we are not yet done.
Okay, wait. Learners, there is something more.
Surprises are there. Okay, ma'am, can you move everyone?
There are other surprises coming up. Now we want to share with you the beautiful memories that we all have made with you throughout the entire year. So are you ready to see that? Do you all want to have a look at how amazing the last year was? Take a look.
खो न जाए तारे ज़मीन पर।
Wow, that was so emotional. Learners, did you all enjoy the video? Yes. Did you all go through all that we have done together in the last 1 year? Yes. But we are not done with the surprises. There is one special surprise coming up for all the learners. But it will not come so easily. No, 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 no. What you have to do for this is that you have to roll your hands. Come on, start rolling quickly. Quickly, I want everyone to do it. Roll, 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 roll. Come on, fast, 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 fast. Slow, 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 slow. And your palms have opened up and they're on their eyes. No cheating. Everyone's eyes are closed by their palms. No cheating at all. And only when I say, will you open your eyes. Okay? Ready? 1, 2. And no, I can see someone is cheating. I can see. Ready, steady, go. Open your eyes quickly.
Your future.
Woo! All the best.
All the best for your future.
All the very best.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you,
Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Come, learners.
Miss you. Thank you, ma'am.
You all enjoy watching the video.
We are going to miss
Enjoy
you, ma'am.
watching the video. Those were our best wishes for all of you. May you always grow and work very hard to be talented and achieve all your goals. This is all we teachers want to tell you all. All the best learners for your future.
Yes, all the best.
Now it seems that all my learners are ready to take off to grade 1. So now it's time for a pleasant goodbye from the learners of Senior KG E.
खातीगर कहाँ है?
Goodbye, kindergarten, it's graduation day. Really love you, never forget you, I would like to stay. Goodbye, kindergarten, it's graduation day. Really love you, never forget you, I would like to stay. It's time to go to school, I'm feeling very cool. It's time to go to school, I'm feeling very cool. Goodbye, kindergarten, it's graduation day. Goodbye, kindergarten, it's graduation day. I learned so much this year, I make myself so clear. My teachers and my dear, I'm happy you are here. Goodbye, kindergarten, it's graduation day.
Wow, that was so amazing. Give a big round of applause for Senior KG E learners. Woohoo! Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. Okay. So learners, I just got a call from one of your friend. They want to say something for the school. So do you all also want to listen what they have to say?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, so here comes something from the learners for the school.
Wow.
Good morning, teachers and friends. My name is Somdata Mandal of Senior KGE. I would like to thank our school for always making sure that we were prepared for the next step and refusing to let us stop. Thank you.
Wow, that was so good. So learners, I want to know from your side if you all have enjoyed the entire graduation day. Tell me, yes or no? मजा आया कि नहीं आया? Can't hear.
बहुत मजा आया टीचर.
Lots of fun. बहुत मजा आया.
Yes, we
Okay,
enjoyed.
पर अभी ना थोड़ा सा मजा और बाकी है. Okay, listen now. अब क्या करेंगे हम?
आता बोल.
अब क्या करेंगे हम? Now what are we going to do? If you all have actually enjoyed the graduation day, if you all have actually enjoyed the graduation day, I want to see it through your actions. So everyone quickly stand up. Come on. Let us all stand up. Everyone, quickly stand up. Stand up. Ma'am will also stand up with you. Stand up. Quickly. Everyone stands up. And we are going to do a different type of clap so that I and other teachers, the other teachers and me, we all come to know that you all have enjoyed the graduation day. So look at what I am doing and then you all will follow. Okay? I want everyone to join them. Parents, please do join them. Okay? So it goes like first clap. Clap. Side. Once more clap.
जाओ जाओ बेबी करो तुम मैं करके दे
And down. I want the learners to make the sound also. Okay, are you ready? So we'll start on the
क्लैप करो जी.
Is everyone ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Clap. Sideways. One more time. Clap. No.
ऐड नहीं हो रहा.
I can't hear the sound. मतलब learners को मजा नहीं आया मैम.
Come on, make a sound.
Make some noise.
बिल्कुल मजा नहीं आया बच्चों को.
बस वो
Can you hear the sound? Once more.
Yes.
अक्रेड में स्पेलिंग गलत हो गया.
Very good. Let's do it once more but quickly. जल्दी करेंगे, okay? Stop, ma'am. Faster. Wow, learners. Now tell me, did you all enjoy the entire event? Yes or no? Parents, we request you to please drop your valuable feedback in the chat box. It's a request to everyone, please do put your feedback in the chat box. And while parents are doing so, it's time for us to dance with the learners. Stand up learners and dance. Let mama put the
फिर भी दिखना क्या जाने उसकी जान का क्या होगा,
क्या होगा?
या साला की माँ होगा, कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा। तो होठ घुमा
Yeah. So all is well, yes or no, everybody?
Yeah.
All is well.
Yes.
Yeah.
Learners, whenever you have a problem in the future, what are you going to do? All is well. Yes? Yes, will you do that? So that you can easily solve your problem. Okay? All is well बोल के रुक नहीं जाना. You have to try to solve the problem also. Okay? Yes?
Yes.
And now what are you going to do? When this program is over, all of you are going to click best picture and send it on the WhatsApp number that is put in the chat box. Yes?
बड़ा किसी ने नहीं लेता।
Okay, learners. So this is the time to say the final goodbye. We are still receiving feedback.